Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 9 of the Adobe XD tutorial series, and today we're going to look at something called the assets panel. So if you have a lot of artboards right here, then you might have a lot of designs. So let's say for example I'm going to create multiple artboards right here just like this and zoom out. Alright, create another artboard just like this. So I have 3 artboards right here. Let's say for example you have a text file, something like a heading. So let's say heading right here. Alright, and then I'm going to copy and paste this design just like this, copy and paste this out over here. Alright, so let me just paste this here, and you can see that everything is pasted in place in Adobe XD. So if I were to copy and paste this, everything pastes in place. So over here I have my heading, so let me grab my shape over here as well. So let me drag in a shape just like this, and then copy and paste this, copy, paste and paste. And over here I'm also going to do the symbols. Alright, so create the symbol, and here's the symbol icon right here. So you can see that in the previous lesson what we learned is that if I were to go to the fill, I want to select a symbol, I can just press the symbol and then click and drag it, and you can see that I can drag in the symbols as much as I want. Over here, let's say for example I want to use the same color, so I can just click on the plus icon over here in the colors icon. So just click press, and you can see that I got 2 colors that I use in the design right here. So if I'm going to apply the color into another shape, just click on that shape and click on the color, and you can see that I have my colors placed right over here. So I can just click on the colors back and forth to change the icon of the color just like that. So on the text as well, let's say for example I select a character style just like this. So let's say I'm going to select something like Tarzan text over here, and I got my text right here. So you can see that I got my text. Let me just leave this out, and I got my text right here. So what I want to do is I want to change the color of this as well to something else. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the character style. So I got this Tarzan character style just like this. And if I want to apply it, just select 2 of the shapes just like this, and then click on the Tarzan icon, the Tarzan character style just like this. So you can see that you can easily apply different styles and colors by using the assets panel inside of Adobe XD. So if you want to create designs for multiple artboards, then this makes things easier for you. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.